How to check logs on Discord. So if you want to check logs on Discord, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, and then you just need simply go with the discord.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. And the other thing you need to make sure is that you have a stable internet connection. Once you've logged in, now you need to go with the user settings, which is here on the left side. And here if you scroll down, then you will have an option of audit log. But if you don't find the audit log right here, then you can go back and you need to go with the server. And here you need to go with the drop down, go with server settings. Under server settings, now you can scroll down and here you will have the audit log option. Just click on audit log and here you will have all the logs. You can just simply go with filter. You can filter by all users or a particular member, or you will also have the action filter. So you can simply select your filters and then you will have your audit log information. So that's how you can check your logs on Discord, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.